Hey, it's Ariel, and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to give me a like, hit subscribe, and if you make this delicious 5-layer dip that I just made today, it's so good. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think, if you liked it, if you tried it out, and have a great day, guys. Today we're going to be making one of my favorites, which is a 5-layer dip. You can make it a 7-layer dip by adding jalapenos and black olives on it, and tomatoes also. You can do it however you want. This is the way that I do it, and it actually is one of my top favorite dips. So what you're going to need today, you're going to need your refried bean, which I get the old El Paso one, traditional refried bean, and you're going to want to get your salsa. And this is a good size. You can probably get a smaller size than that. I always get the squeezable sour cream because it's easier to spread. I get mild cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese. You can really get any cheese that you like. Your nachos for then, your avocados. So for this, you're gonna need 6 avocados for one tray. I have 1 tablespoon of diced onion, red onion. Normally when I make my guacamole, I also put cilantro and garlic in it along with the onion, but I don't have that today, and it's fine. You can do it however you want. I'm gonna be using this for my avocado. If you don't have this, it's okay. You can use a potato masher, or you could use a fork. But I'm going to be using this today. And of course, your glass of wine, which is important. Alright. So, with the avocados, you're just going to cut them, slice them like this. I use these avocados, they're like the Mexican ones, because it's a lot easier to make guacamole out of them. And you want to get them nice and soft, where they're like right kind of. This one's a little hard. Technical difficulties here with this avocado. Alright. Well, normally if it's perfect, it looks way better than that. So what I do is I'll scoop it out. I'll put it in a little processor, whatever it is this thing is. And look how cute that came out. I just love avocados. They're so cute. Alright, so you're going to get all your avocados and get them in this little machine. Alright, so we're going to go ahead. I got all my peeled avocados in here and my tablespoon of onion. Garlic powder. I'm not gonna measure it out, but when you do it, you could just put 1 teaspoon of it. look at that. So we got our avocado done, and we're gonna start layering our dip. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse off this can. I don't want any germs. My first layer that I always put is the refried beans. Alright, so what you're gonna do is just add it all in the pan. And then you're going, this is a smaller tray than what I normally would use, so normally I would use the entire can for one of those metal trays, a party tray. So we're just gonna make a layer of this. This is good. We got that right there. Alright, next layer that I do is my salsa layer. So I go ahead and get the salsa. Get a layer of that. And you can put what you feel is right or reasonable. When I make this, it's always my family's favorites. Alright, so next is your guacamole. Alright, so actually I'm gonna put it in here, then I'll transfer it onto there. Since it has that thing in the middle.
You can take that out.
It's just easier for me to do it this way. I probably gave myself more work. Alright, so you're gonna get your guacamole layer. It's easier to do it like this so you don't run out or make it uneven while you're spreading it. And if you need more, you can always go back and make more. I know I've done that so many times.
She's closing up. Come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest. Said it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tell you out for let your emotions walk all over.
There.
Open up. Open up.
Now you're gonna get your sour cream.
You up
tablespoons? No.
Let your emotions walk all over me. Open up. Open up.
This way it's so much easier. Sour cream is just like guacamole. It's a little more difficult to spread.
Open up. Need to refreed our conversation. Contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot and get ya. The doors OPN. Take the high road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends.
You can also always buy the pre-made guacamole. I just like to do it like this because it tastes better to me.
Take the high road and hop in.
And the last layer is our cheese. And like I said, normally I put jalapenos on it too and black olives, but since I'm making it for my family, they don't really like it. So we're just making a 5-layer dip today. Alright, look at that. All our layers, and the dip is done. The last step that you want to do is put it in the refrigerator. Let it cool for, just to keep it cold. It is supposed to be a cold dip. So the dip is chilled, and we're gonna go ahead and have a little taste test. Now let's see what this be about. See that?
It's good.
Now don't forget to watch for more good snacks that I make.